Okay, this is going to be a quick little video showing you how to use the standard algorithm along with the hundreds chart here. Okay, so I have 534 minus 126. The number that comes first in your subtraction equation is the number that goes on top. So 534, and we're going to take away 126. Now I wish I would have wrote this down a little bit further so that I can write above my number, so I'm just going to take and maybe slide this down. There we go. So when you write yours, make sure that you remember to do that. Okay, well, we know we start in the ones place on the standard algorithm, so can I take 6 away from 4? I cannot, so I need to go next door to my tens place and borrow 1 10. So now I have 2 10s remaining. When I bring the 10 over to the ones place, it becomes 10 ones, so I'm going to add 10 ones to my 4, so I have 14. 14 minus 6 equals 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay, hope that helps.